Karama Krishna Mission hasora bat Shillong kalala ban pinmi yaga rukom ajing hikai hikana puli hakijaka baga internet kam da tre kam ha. Hagala sngi ublay yaga jing ajing hikai online bala tip kumka HIKAI Hybrid Interactive Knowledge Assimilation Initiative nagabanta ki khana bapuli class 1 hadu class 12 la play bat ba Harama Krishna Mission Secondary School Sobar da uba AS Mukim SDO Sora Civil Subdivision. Da kabayat lan nakijing pha yikijing tho but keep video lengba ki core social media Karama Krishna Mission kalawanra da karukom ai jing hikai kaban ai la ikikhenna ban pan jingmut nakinong hikai lemba ka Android app klem da don kam ya ka internet henry tang lemba ka wifi zone but ka local server kani ka HIKAI project la ban pindon kam dikikhenna pule embos klem da don kam ban siu pisa.
Today we have called media people and also our VIP has come here for showing a technological demonstration of how online courses can be offered in a place where there is absolutely no internet connectivity, because the problem is that at this during this COVID when all the schools have got closed, people are giving online option, but then this online option cannot be enjoyed by the rural children where internet connectivity is not there. So we are trying to solve that problem, because this program, which is also called named as Hikai, it is based on an app, and that app supports one device. It is Wi-Fi based. You don't require a SIM card for that. And once it is Wi-Fi based, we are today installing here a tower just to show you how without internet, you can see there is no internet here. So without internet, children are able to not only download the videos, see the videos, they can even download the assignment, then upload the assignment, teacher can see the assignment, correct it, send it back to the student. And not only that, they can also have a conference, doubt clearing conference, where 20-30 children join together, ask them questions, answers and all that, all on Wi-Fi mode. So this tower and router and other whatever we have made arrangement cost around 2 lakh rupees for one village. So we are just showing it to show to the villages that it is possible to give these contents, online content, which is made by one of the best teachers in Meghalaya, and it can reach rural area. It can also solve the problem of this quality teachers which we have in rural areas. It has multiple benefits. So we just want to bring to the notice of the public that one is that free online courses are available, absolutely free content from class 1 up to class 12, both arts and science stream we are making and uploading every day. 20 GB of data we are uploading. It is freely downloadable. They can access it, download it, run in off mode, on mode, and with internet, without internet. That's why we are calling it the hybrid system. That is the technology which we are about to demonstrate.